Hello everyone, welcome back to the course. And now you are again with me in chapter 2.2 in a grammar part. In this lesson, you will learn 4 different ways to use verb to be in Thai language. Let's start. So as I mentioned before, in Thai language there is no conjugation. So there are only some words that indicate the verb to be. Let's start with the first way to use verb to be. The first way, if you want to define what it is, basically you tell what it is. For example, this is an apple. This is Susan. That is my house. These are my children. These are example or to define thing. So you will use the word คือ Say it out loud together. คือ For example, this is ครู Smoke. If you want to introduce me, this is ครู Smoke. You define me, you say นี่คือครู Smoke. Because the word นี่ remember นี่ as this. And is verb to be in this case, you use the word คือ to define and then ครู Smoke. And if you want to introduce Kun John, you would just say easily, this is Kun John, or in Thai language, this นี่คือคุณ John นี่คือคุณ Susan นั่นคือคุณ Michael. Next example, those are dogs. You know, someone say, what are those? Look like animal. So I could easily say, those are dogs. So I defined it. And for this, those is นั่น or พวกนั้น right? Remember, if I use the word พวก, it is more clear that it's plural, but it doesn't matter. You can just say นั่น Next, are verb to be คือหมา is a dog. So นั่นคือหมา or พวกนั้นคือหมา meaning that those are dogs. Done with the word คือ to define. The second way to use verb to be is to describe the subject. So basically you know already what the subject is. Maybe the subject has been mentioned before. So for this, you use the word เป็น with strong P, okay? So you pronounce more like BP. เป็น, right? Very good. In this case, the subject is already defined. So you just want to describe. First example, Smoke is my teacher. So is should use the word เป็น So Smoke เป็น my teacher in Thai language is ครูของผม Okay, look, ครู the word ครู is teacher. That's why everyone calls me ครู Smoke because it's from teacher Smoke. See? ครู Smoke. Okay. The word ผม is I, right? I or mine or mine. So no conjugation. ของ is of. So basically, ครูของผม means teacher of mine. For example for this, if you want to say my dog, you definitely want to say dog of mine. So how is it? Dog is หมา of ของ mine is ฉัน or ผม Okay, what about your cat? So basically is cat of yours. So let's see, cat is แมว of your ของ คุณ Easy. This is the possessive. I will highlight it. Please note this one too. Alright, let's go back to here. Smoke is my teacher. Smoke เป็นครูของผม See? เป็น because you describe about me. Next example. I am a student. I am a student. I ฉัน or ผม am in this case is เป็น See? And then the word student is นักเรียน. Student is นักเรียน. Okay? Got it? Very good. Let's continue. Third way to use verb to be is to tell the location. So basically, if you want to state the location, you use the word you, okay, which is verb to be, and it can also mean to leave or to stay because, you you tell the location, like at or in, blah, 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 blah. Okay? Example. I live in Bangkok. See? Bangkok is location. So live, you use the word you. I, ผม or ฉัน live, you see, you. In Bangkok is กรุงเทพ. We learned this word Bangkok already. So if you want to say I live in Bangkok, you would say ฉันอยู่กรุงเทพ or ฉันอยู่ที่กรุงเทพ The word ที่ is a preposition for location. Okay? So practice with yourself. If you want to say I live in London, you would say ฉันอยู่ที่ London ฉันอยู่ที่โตเกียวฉันอยู่ประเทศฝรั่งเศสฉันอยู่ประเทศอเมริกา Done. The next example, I am at Paragon. Paragon is a very big shopping mall in Bangkok. So this you want to state that you are currently right now at Paragon. So easy. I for man, ผม am อยู่ที่ Paragon. I am at Paragon. I am at Sukhumvit. ฉันอยู่ที่ถนนสุขุมวิท Easy. Location, use the word you like you. And the last way, the fourth way to use verb to be is to use verb to be with adjectives. In Thai language, if you use verb to be with adjective, for example, I am beautiful. See, beautiful is adjective. You are clever. Clever is adjective. I am sleepy. Sleepy is adjective. In this case, in Thai language, there is no use of verb to be. Basically, you cut it out. You just skipped it. For example, teacher Smoke is very beautiful. Is it right? Okay, just come back. Teacher Smoke, ครู Smoke, right, is very beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective. So in this case, I would cut it out. So you just say ครู Smoke beautiful very much. So ครู Smoke สวยมาก because the word สวย say together สวย means beautiful. What is beautiful again? สวย alright สวยมาก very beautiful. ครู Smoke สวยมาก ครู Smoke is beautiful, very beautiful. And the next example, this fried rice is good. This fried rice is good. So this fried rice, look at this first. So in Thai language, it should be translated from the back to the front, fried rice, this. So fried rice, this is ข้าวผัด นี่ this is good. Good is adjective. That's why you just cut the word good out. So you just say this fried rice good. ข้าวผัดนี้ อร่อย Thai people say this fried rice is delicious because fried rice is food. Done. Easy. So just conclude real quick. There are 4 ways to use verb to be. The first way, you use to define something. You tell what it is. You use the word คือ Second way, if you want to give more information about subject or something that you already know what it is, you just use the word เป็น Third one, if you want to tell the location, where you are, where you live, where you stay, you just use the word you. And with preposition ที่ For example, ที่บ้าน at home, ที่กรุงเทพ in Bangkok. And last way to use verb to be is when you use verb to be with adjectives. In Thai language, there is no use of verb to be in this case. So you just skip it. For example, the noodles is hot. You can just say ก๋วยเตี๋ยวร้อนก๋วยเตี๋ยว noodles hot ร้อน That's all. Got it? Very good. Continue.